Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. Some customer told us they couldn't operate the wheelchair when they received the units. Once they open the carton, they set it up, they turn on the power. It's nothing at all. Okay, it's a very simple question. You need to just turn on the switch here, get the battery out. There is a switch for the battery. Turn it on, put it back. Okay, right now we just turn it on. It's very easy, then you can operate. But you see, when we try to operate this time, you come close with another problem. It's only a beep sound. The wheelchair doesn't move at all because right now it's right at freewheel mode. So simply just put the lever down. Now it's engaged. We can just do operation easily. Backward, turn left and right. It's simple and easy. A very simple question. Just pay attention to it. I think you can get it over very well. Thank you very much. We hope to see you in the next video.